So guys, coming with me, let me show you this 3-bedroom apartment with BQ that we have in Sangotedo. Let's go. So this is the interior of the 3-bedroom apartment. This is the sitting room. You can see it.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget, I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. Every day I try to find things in a new set, but late at night I look for those I will never get. Symptoms of my sickness.